Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the issue of crashing in Black Myth Wukong. This game, a modern take on the legendary monkey king from Chinese mythology, has generated a lot of excitement. However, many players are experiencing frustrating crashes on PC. If you're one of them, you're not alone. In this guide, we'll explore troubleshooting steps to help you resolve these issues with solutions for PC. Why Black Myth Wukong keeps crashing on PC? Well, crashing can occur for several reasons, such as hardware compatibility. Inadequate hardware that doesn't meet the game system requirements can lead to crashes. Outdated drivers. Graphics and other hardware drivers that are not up to date can cause compatibility issues. Corrupt game files. Improper installation or corrupted game files can make the game unstable. And lastly, background applications. Running too many background applications can drain system resources and affect game performance. Since Black Myth Wukong requires high system performance, ensure you have a good network connection. For enhanced performance, consider using LagoFast, a game booster with global server routes. It helps reduce latency and boost FPS. Here's how to use LagoFast. Download and install LagoFast. Before launching Black Myth Wukong, open LagoFast and enter the game's name in the search bar. In LagoFast, choose the server with the lowest latency. Engage Smart Boost to monitor real-time stats like game ping and packet loss. Here are additional methods to address crashing and stuttering. Run the game in compatibility mode. In Steam, right-click Black Myth Wukong in your library, select Properties, go to Launch Options, and choose Compatibility Mode. On Windows 8, right-click the game's executable file, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, then enable Run this program as an administrator, then apply changes. Can also go adjust in-game settings. Set the frame rate cap to 30. Change Super Resolution Sampling to TSR and turn off frame generation. Set graphics preset to medium or low. Next, verify and repair game files. For Steam, go to Library, right-click Black Myth Wukong, select Properties, go to Local Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. For Epic Games Launcher, go to Library, click on the three dots next to the game, select Manage and click Verify. Then, update Windows and GPU drivers. Ensure that you have the latest drivers from AMD Adrenalin or NVIDIA GeForce Experience. For AMD GPUs with specific issues, consider installing an older driver version. Lastly, underclock your CPU. If you get an out-of-video memory error, try underclocking your CPU. Note that this may still result in occasional crashes and reduced performance. These are the methods shared by players on the Reddit forum. Although it is a bit strange, it works faster after many people tried it. If you don't want to uninstall, download, and restart, you can try all these methods. Thank you for watching.